Hey there YouTube. In this video we're going to be showing you how to replace the headlight on this Mazda CX-7. Now this is probably one of the worst headlights I've ever had to replace. Just the fact that you have to go through the fender well to actually replace it. And it's kind of like a blind shot at replacing it. You can't really see much. It's a lot of feeling with your hands and stuff like that. But hopefully this video is going to help you with actually seeing what you need to do and how to do it. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the headlight we're going to be changing here is going to be the driver's side headlight on the CX-7. You can see here that one's off, but this one is working. It seems that I replaced the driver's side more often than the passenger side for some reason. Not really quite sure. But let's go ahead and open the hood and see why we can't access this from the engine bay and why we have to go through that fender well. Now with the hood up, we're going to go over here to the driver's side. And you can see here, you can't really access, you don't really see the bulb housing at all because it's tucked in the fender. And if we go in the back over here, you're going to notice that blue wire right there. That blue wire, let's see if I can zoom in on that or point to it. That blue wire right there, that's the headlight wire that's going to go to the bulb. And then the surrounding boot is actually what we need to pull off. It's also protecting and insulating the bulb. So we're going to go ahead and open up the fender well now, and we're going to reach our hand in there, and we're going to go ahead and replace this bulb. Alright, when you park the vehicle, you're going to want to go ahead and turn the wheel all the way to the right towards the passenger side. That way it gives you enough access to get to the clips within the fender well. Now, we have actually 3 clips we need to worry about. I'll show you each one of them, but I am missing one of them because I've done this a few times. So I'll show you the 2 that we're going to be taking out on my vehicle here, and that's this one right there, and then there's one in the back. It's way back there. Let me see if I can find it here. It's right up there. So those are the 2 I'm going to take out. This one's sometimes not necessary to do, but that first one is, and the last one is right down here. Like I said, that's a little screw clip, and mine's busted out. Never put it back in. Nothing rattles, so I just didn't worry about it. But we'll go ahead and take that one out first. So I like to use a little pry tool like this one to get up in there. So we'll just pop in there and pull out. Again, mine have been done a few times, so it's a little bit easier to do these. And then I'm just going to put my pry tool into here. Just going to pull out on my fender well. Might have another one right here. Nope, I don't. Let's see here. And there we go. That's all the access we need to replace this. Now I'm going to bring the camera up into the hood area, and we'll see if we can get a video of this from there. Alright, this is the inside shot from inside the engine bay. So you should be able to see here my hand come up, and this is from the fender well. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the plug and unplug it from the headlight, just by pulling it out, putting it off to the side. Next, you have this boot here. You want to just pull out on the boot, and then you can take it out and put it off to the side. And now you have the bulb. You can see it here, the black housing with the 2 prongs. That's your the part on your bulb. What we want to do is, and I'll show this to you in a picture, but there's a little clip inside here that you want to push in, and then let it swing open like a door. And like I said, I'll show that to you in just a second. And you're going to swing that open. And then once that's open, you can see this little clip here. It's the part of the door, the hinging mechanism. Once you have that out and open, you can see here the bulb's coming out, and just pull it out through the fender. Now that the bulb is out, these are the bulbs that we've been using here, the Phillips H7s. The H7's the spec of the bulb, and then the Phillips is the brand. So we already used one of these, so we're going to go ahead and bust into the next one. Remember, don't ever touch the bulb to your fingers, as the oils will transfer from the bulb from your fingers to the bulb, and causing it to blow prematurely. So we're going to go ahead and take this out of the package and take the old bulb out of the housing and put the other one back in. Alright, so like I said, this is the bad bulb, so we're just going to take this and pull it away from the little part that comes with the vehicle. This is what you want to keep. This is the part that's bad. And then this is the new bulb. You just want to take that and you can put it in on either side, or either way. There's no orientation, and there we go. That is now back in the housing, and now we can put that back into the actual headlight assembly. If you could, go ahead and scroll down and put a like on my video here, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos after you're done watching this one. Alright, now with the new bulb put back together, we're going to go ahead and slide it on into the fender well and put it into the slot. You want to spin it around until you find that it snugs in there, because there's only one orientation for this. Okay, like that right there. Once it drops into place, you can't spin it anymore. Then you want to take that little door, or that hinge, with the spring on it. I'm going to push it back together, push in, and snap it into the spot. There we go. That is back in. After that, and you can see here that we have swung the door, or the spring-loaded hinge, back together, and that it is now back in the assembly of the headlight. Now we can put back on the boot and plug in the wire. I'll go ahead and take that boot and put it back up in here, and you'll want to put it over top of the headlight bulb and push back on there, then snug it into the assembly, and then take your wire. Again, orientation does not matter which way it goes, you just put it back on, and there we go. Just put the fender well back in, and then put the clip back in, and we'll make sure that it works. And then that one clip back into the top. All right, now let's validate that it works. There we go. One light on there, the other one on the passenger side. So this is now complete. If this video has helped you at all, please make sure to put a like on the video, subscribe to my channel, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching.